In this video, we will show you how to reset Epson 820 printer using resetter or adjustment programs. Before you download this resetter or adjustment programs, we suggest you to disable for a while your antivirus, including Windows Real-Time Protection and the Tamper Protection if you are using Windows 10 or Windows 11. Okay, you can see here. After that, you can download this resetter, the link on comments. After you download this resetter, we can right click and select extract all. After that, open the extracted folder. Then double click in adjustment program. Maybe smart screen is appear look like this. You can click more info and select runaway. And then choose the 820 and click OK. Then choose particular adjustment mode button and select was ink pad counter and click OK. Please click on main pad counter options and click check button. After that, click initialize button. If you encounter an error here, you can try to repeat the process, or you can try to move the USB printer into another port available on your computer. After resetting it successfully, you can click finish and you can turn off your printer. After that, you can turn back on your printer again. Hope this video helpful for you.